Hi, I'm Yuan. I studied the Data Science Bootcamp at Wagon. I'm a data scientist for the NHS, which is the publicly funded healthcare system in England. I was a librarian and I decided to switch careers because I was just a little frustrated and I was looking for a change.
My name's Misha and I did the Data Science Bootcamp. I studied in neuroscience and worked in a lab for a bit, and I joined Wagon because I really wanted to get involved with the more high-end side of data.
So my name is Francisca and I work at a web-free gaming company dealing with data-related projects on a daily basis.
The Bootcamp is a program which covers everything you need, the fundamentals of data science, starting right out from analytics in Python and all the packages required, moving into machine learning, deep learning, and at the end, students complete a project.
So before the bootcamp starts, Wagon will send you a load of resources that will ensure that no matter where your programming skills are before the bootcamp starts, you have everything you need to be able to get to the point where you're comfortable to start.
The data science program starts off with Python. So we learn a bit about Python and SQL and some basics of mathematics and statistics. This gives us a really strong foundation to build on, and I was really grateful for that. After that, we move on to learning about machine learning and deep learning, so building models from scratch using Python and libraries like scikit-learn and TensorFlow. And then at the end, we get to build a project for 2 weeks to really put together all the things that we've learned.
It's super intense and you learn so much because you're really building something from the ground up that is your own.
So by the end of the bootcamp, you would have seen many different aspects of what an actual day-to-day data science job would consist of.
Wagon's teaching approach is really hands-on. You get paired with a fellow student every day who you work in depth with on each problem, and then you also have the teachers and teaching assistants there throughout the entire day to give you really hands-on help with every problem that you might have. My
experience during the bootcamp was great. I had a really good time studying on the bootcamp. I met some really great people and was able to achieve what I wanted to achieve, which was a change in career.
So the role of a data scientist is to gather, wrangle with, analyze, and then model unstructured big data to help organizations or businesses understand and inform what decisions they should take.
Data science is really relevant today, and there are new opportunities opening up every single day.
Data science is not a fad. Algorithms are shaping the world that we live in.
If you're thinking about doing the Data Science Bootcamp, definitely do it. It's been one of the best choices I've made, and it's opened up so many possibilities to me that I didn't think were possible.
If you want to become a data scientist in a matter of weeks, then join the Wagon Data Science Bootcamp at any of our campuses around the world or online.
Go for it. You won't regret it.